Here, show me how you blow in it. Come here. You're doing a good job. Hey. Good job. Was that hard? Good job. Yep, you're blowing on the choo-choo train. Is that hard to do? Yeah, it sure is, huh? It's a really big Thomas. You're right. Did you go ride on Thomas today? With Grandma and Grandpa, huh?